Okay, little snippet. Grounds in all the way down there on the grounding bar, the very last one. And I tried, I put it in a little bit in between some. I couldn't get all fancy schmancy, but it's in. So now I'm going to work on the common, or excuse me, the neutral. And I don't know where I'm going to put that. I think I'm going to bring it over here, like we discussed, and put it somewhere along there. And I'm finding down here, they put some spare, I guess what they didn't use, maybe it's code or something. If they didn't use these little set screws, they pulled them out of the bar and put them at the bottom of the box because there's a bunch of them down there. So maybe maybe that was a requirement back then. Maybe it still is today. Don't know. All right. So next up is the neutral. All right, and it's gonna go in that bar right over there somewhere. Probably. Let's see. I don't know. I'll pick a good spot. I'll pick a nice spot, and then I'll come back. More to come. Hold on.